Go.
Welcome back. Now I'm doing the last part of the bike or itself, which is the upper part, which the handlebars where the brake levers and gear shifters are. So I've already sprayed it with the WD-40 Original. It sat for a little bit to loosen everything up. Now I'm going to spray it with a bike degreaser and then clean it. I also have a bell that I keep clean and lubricated as well. And once I'm satisfied that everything is clean, I then take the garden hose and rinse it off. And that is it for this section. I'll be back in just a little bit to do the final part of the bike, which is the chain.